So at Red Bull Ring in the 919 LMP1 Porsche from 24 Hours Le Mans and FIA WEC. I'm going to maximise my entry here and then onto full throttle, maximum battery deployment, which is automatic. And the DRS, which doesn't exist in these LMP1 cars compared to F1, so we can't use that down the straight. I'm going to come over at the 100 board on the brakes, grab second, get the nose in and squeeze the throttle, hook that left side of the car in between the curb and that yellow sausage we do in real life. It's like a tram track, it hooks the car and then you're able to get onto full throttle all the way up the hill. Nice straight wheel before braking at the 100 board. Grab first and then just miss the apex because you want to maximise the exit on the power. You can use that tram track effect between the curb and the sausage on the exit there, but it's all about getting a straight wheel and getting back on the power. So here, brake earlier than you think because it's downhill. I'm going to feed the car in nice and early so that curb and squeeze the power down out to the white line. I don't want to go on the curb there because it's off camber and there's a lot of rubber coming. It pulls the car off. Here, onto the curb on the right, down to third, get it in nice and early, then start to squeeze the power in, up into fourth, up into fifth on the exit, brake into fourth, early in here. I've just missed the apex there, but I'm going to maximise my throttle to try and maintain a half decent lap time through the second part of the chicane. These two are nice and quick, so soft brake, down two, in early, pick the throttle back up, trying to keep it legal on the exit, down two here on the exit. Oh, so you wouldn't get away with that running four wheels off. You want to try and keep two wheels on the track at all time. So going back over to the left, 100 board, on the brakes, grab second, get the front in, using between the curb and that sausage is like a tram track, that yellow sausage, and that propels the car up the hill. So we're going to go down to first gear at the top of this hairpin here. We're just going to miss the apex so that we can make sure that we've maximised that braking. And then onto the power. So a bit too early on the power there. You can see how the rear then comes round. I should have kept the wheels straight a little bit earlier to make sure that that power from the 919 doesn't kick in. Early on the brakes here. And make sure that you can feed that front in and then squeeze the power down out to the white line. Don't go out onto the curb in the green because it pulls the car off. Over towards the curb, on the brakes, down into third. Get it into the apex just a little bit wide. Up into fifth. Here, early in, get it on the curb and then you can get to full throttle really early. And that gains me a lot of time. Out to the white line, you don't need to use the curb there. Into sixth, these two are very quick. So keep it legal, keep two wheels on. Into fourth. Wow, and I've done the opposite of what I said. I've run a bit wide. That's better.